Hi guys, and welcome back to Life's Sweet Journey, on the road one adventure at a time. Join us for a look at Lazydays RV Resort and a peek inside a Keystone Cougar 315RLS. Lazydays RV Resort is located in Seffner, Florida, and has great amenities like this playground with adjoining tennis and basketball court. Our favorite spot though is this wonderful pool, which is heated during the winter, and also has this lovely hot tub that sits right next to the takeout window for the Exit 10 restaurant and pub, which, by the way, makes the most amazing banana daiquiris. So definitely make sure to try one while you're there. Inside, there's a great room for pool, as well as movie nights, and the inside of the pub is decorated just like an RV. But our absolute favorite thing about Lazydays RV Resort is that it sits just across the street from Lazydays RV Dealership, where you can check out all of the awesome new RVs they have in stock. Plus, there's the front porch, which serves a breakfast buffet as well as lunch and has bottomless sodas. The sodas are free, but we also received coupons to enjoy the breakfast when we checked into the resort. I loaded up on a mix of Diet Coke and Coke Zero and then went out to check out the new RVs, and of course had to start with our very own Cougar, just very much upgraded. This particular model is a Keystone Cougar 315RLS, which means it is a rear living unit. Let's take a peek inside. Our current rig is a 2011 Keystone Cougar, and let's just say we really love the upgrades and the lighter tones in the newer ones. This video, we would love it if you would give it a big thumbs up and click subscribe. Thanks, and enjoy the journey.